This is a quick overview on how to apply for SWOCC Foundation scholarships. Each year, applications are available starting January 1st and are due on March 1st. We'll walk you through the process for how to apply and show you a preview of what the application looks like. Any student planning to attend Southwestern during the upcoming academic year is encouraged to apply. This includes both full and part-time students, online students, those attending OCCI or any of our other programs, and those attending in person on our Coos and Curry campuses. Before starting, first identify if you are a prospective student or a current or admitted student. Current or admitted students are exactly as they sound. They're defined as those who have completed an application for admission. It means they're currently attending Southwestern. A prospective student simply means you've never completed an application for admission. You'll fall into this camp if you are attending but only taking dual credit or expanded option classes, or if you've only ever taken community education. If you are a prospective student, you'll need to complete the application for admission before applying for scholarships. Do this by going to our website, www.swocc.edu, and hitting the Apply button. We process these applications as quickly as possible, but you'll need to allow up to 5 business days before you're able to apply for scholarships. Once you receive an email that your application has been processed, you are then ready to follow the same steps we'll cover for current or admitted students. Once you are a current or admitted student, the first step in applying is to go to the application website. Within your browser, type in swocc.awardspring.com. This is the page that you'll see. If this is your first time logging in, you're going to go to the First Time Here prompt and click on the Set Your Password button. There, you're going to enter your email. In most all cases, this is going to be your personal email or the same email address that you used when you submitted your application for admission. If it doesn't work for some reason, try your Southwestern email. If you still receive an error message, contact the foundation immediately. Then you're going to click on the Send Email button, and a link to set your password will be sent. Now, you'll go into your email, click on the link that was sent to you. You'll see it comes from foundation@swocc.edu, and set your password. Simply follow the prompts to make sure that your password meets the requirements that are needed. Now that you're all set up, from here on out, when you go to the application website, you'll just log in with your email and the password you created. Now that you know how to log in, the last step is to complete your application. Here on the dashboard, you just click the Start Application button, or you can also click it on the very far left of your screen. Then, just start answering the questions. As you complete each section, you'll click the Next Step button until you're done and ready to submit. You can always jump to a different section of the application by clicking the tabs to the left as well. When you're filling this out, be sure to read all the directions and answer carefully. The reason for this is because the answers you provide help determine what scholarships you will qualify for. Your answers will be saved automatically, but sometimes it helps to click outside the box that you're working in before moving on. For example, this is especially true when you're doing the essay questions and personal statements. When you submit your application, you're automatically applied to the scholarships you qualify for, and there's no further action. Some of you may be notified that you qualify for additional scholarships. These require additional information. You can click on them to see if you would like to apply to them, but it's your choice. You do not have to apply to them. Also, to check the status of all the scholarships you applied for, click on the Scholarships tab to the left and the Status column to see how many you applied for. And that wraps up our demo. As you go through the process, please note, there are no exceptions to the due date. Everything must be submitted by 11:59 p.m. on March 1st. You are able to log in and make updates to your application until that deadline. Also, the more effort you put in, the more likely you are to receive a scholarship. Proofread your essays and the information you input. Lastly, you'll be notified in early May if you received an award. As a final reminder, during the application period from January 1st to March 1st, All of this information is written out and available at www.socc.edu/scholarships. If you run into any issues or have questions, please be sure to reach out to us here in the Foundation. Our contact information is provided. Thank you and best of luck on your application.